So today I'm going to explaining you about Renko chart. So here I'm on a website tradingview.com and this is a daily chart of Nifty. So if you see, I have selected a candlestick pattern over here. So in this pattern you'll be able to see a lot of red candles, but at the end the trend of the Nifty is on the upside. So to avoid this confusions, we are going to select Renko chart. So this is a Renko chart and you are able to see it as a boxes. So these are called as brick, and since these are coming from Japan, so we are calling it as Japanese bricks. So the size of one brick is equal to, as of now, 68.69, which is a ATR of Nifty on a daily chart, which is like average true range of Nifty, and it is of a 14 days moving average. So whenever we have a 68.69 points of rally on Nifty on the upside, it is going to add one brick on the top of this brick. So how to trade this pattern? Simple strategy which we are going to follow over here is, whenever you see a red brick, we are going to take a short position, or we are going to take exit from our long trade. And whenever you see a green brick, we are going to take a long position. So point number one is green brick long trade, red brick short trade. Okay. Point number three, you're going to take a long trade only if you see a second green brick. We are not going to add any position at the first brick. We are going to add a long position at the second brick. So for us, this is a confirmation that we are in a right trade. Same is for red bricks. Whenever you see a second red brick, we are going to take exit from that. We are going to take a short position. So we are waiting for a confirmation that we are in a right trade. So now let's see, suppose if we follow this strategy, then how much we could have earned over here. So I'm going to mark a horizontal line at the second brick, which is the red brick over here. I'm going to mark a vertical line over here. So for me, the intersecting point is coming at around 8691. Same is the case now, since as per strategy, whenever we see a second green brick, we are going to take a long position, and or we are going to take exit from short position. So I'm going to mark it over here as a vertical line and over here as a horizontal line. So now the intersecting point is coming at around 8143. So friends, we could have shorted Nifty at around 8691 and we could have taken exit at around 8146. So if I'm turning this into a candlestick pattern, so let's see what would have been the scenario. So this was the range in which we could have played with proper stop loss. We could have shorted Nifty over here and we could have been in this range and we could have waited for a target over here. So now if you see, even if we could have shorted Nifty over here, there were candles which were like going on the upside. So the strategy is, whenever you short a trade, now let's say over here we could have shorted at the second break, we are going to take exit whenever we see a second green break. So here we have seen this green break and this was the second break, so we had taken exit from this trade. So this was our target. So same thing is for our stop loss. If we could have seen one green brick over here and the other green brick on the top of it, we could have taken exit over that level, and that could have been our stop loss. So this was for a short trade. Same thing applies for long position. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my strategy for a long position, and let's say I'm marking horizontal line at this second green brick and a vertical line at second green brick. So as of now, I'm not able to see any green brick, red brick. So still the trend of the Nifty is on the upside as per Renko chart. And if you see, the position is 8129. Even if I change it to candlestick, so the level would have been same. I could have went long on Nifty at around 8100 levels. And if you see, even though there were a lot of red candles, still at the end the trend of Nifty is on the upside. So even if you are in a trade as per Renko chart, we are going to take exit from Nifty only if we see a second red brick, and that can be considered as the turning or the reversal point for Nifty. So friends, the first thing is we are going to see one green break, and that should be second green brick. Same applies for short trade. It should be second brick. And for stop loss, the case is same. We are going to do it whenever we see a second brick. Either it is on the short side or on the long side. So friends, this was Renko chart on Nifty. Thank you for watching this video. Happy trading. Thank you.